Welcome everybody back to another video. Today we're going to enhance our vocabulary again, this time looking at even more verbs and the pronunciation of these verbs, of course. So let's take a look at what we have on our plate today. First, we're gonna increase our vocabulary, of course, advance our verb knowledge and practice pronunciation. Again, as always, don't be afraid, even though it can be a bit weird maybe, but just sit in your living room and try to repeat the words after me. It's the only way you can improve. So please do that. Let's now take a look at our first vocabulary for today. At tage et bad. At tage et bad. To take a shower. At blæse or at puste. It means to blow. At vaske or at vaske sig. To wash oneself. We're going to look at these sig, this kind of pronoun, reflexive pronoun we call them. We're going to look at those in another lesson. But yeah, it means if you do something for yourself in this case. So at vaske sig means to wash yourself. At dufte, to smell good in this case. If something smells bad, we say lugte or stinke. But at dufte means to smell good. At vaske hænder, to wash hands. At børste is to brush. And in this case, it's a toothbrush. So at børste tænder means to brush teeth. Now let's take a look at the next vocabulary here. At koge, to boil. At vaske tøj, to wash clothes. At vaske tøj, to wash clothes. At tørre means to dry. At tørre tøj, to dry clothes. At stå, to stand. At støvsuge, to vacuum. Again, støv means dust. Suge means suck. So to vacuum in Danish is dust sucking, which is quite fitting. At stryge, to iron. Let's move on here. At flette, to braid. At cykle, to ride the bike. Danish people love their bicycles. You'll see tons of them in Copenhagen. It's actually the second most popular bicycle city in the world, only next to Amsterdam. So be careful, because they also drive very fast if you're visiting, and they don't really care about tourists that much, their bicycles. But now you know how at least to say the verb to ride the bike. At cykle. At dreje, to turn. At have det sjovt, to have fun. At styre, to control. At træde, to tread. Let's go here to the supermarket. At købe ind, or we can also say at handle ind. They are synonyms. To grocery shop, to do your grocery shopping. At hejse, to raise. At byde velkommen, to bid someone welcome. At byde velkommen. At åbne, to open. At male, to paint. At lukke, to close. Next up here, at opvarme, to heat. At opvarme. At køle, to cool. At stege, to roast. At lave kaffe, to make coffee. Probably the most important verb you're going to learn in this whole lesson here. At lave kaffe, to make coffee. At høre, to hear. And lastly, at elske, to love. Very nice one. So today was a little bit shorter than the usual vocabulary lessons, but feel free to go back and go over them again. And also, yeah, ask if you have any questions in the comments. And yeah, otherwise I hope you have increased your vocabulary, advanced your verb knowledge, and got plenty of time now to practice the pronunciation. Thank you very much for tuning in, as always. Please like the video to support me. Subscribe for even more good Danish lessons for you. And see you all in the next time. Vi ses. Hej hej. Farvel og tak. Ha' det rigtig godt.